Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this radically awesome one-owner 2011 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, fully loaded, four-wheel drive, soft top, four-door. This is a one-owner truck. This is one family-owned since brand new. So they did all the modifications and service work to this vehicle over its whole course of life under their ownership. So 3.8 V6 comes with a aftermarket air intake, and then it has a bunch of aftermarket Jeep accessories like these locks for the hood, of course, bumpers, lights, wheels. I mean, you're looking at pretty new Cooper Discoverer tires. You got the full LED, and then you got that beautiful blue color. You got a soft top. It's got all kind of parts for switching out the soft top to open all the doors and kind of open it all up. It comes with those running boards, those really nice aftermarket wheels. Those are the Mayhems, and then they're wrapped in Cooper AT3 tires. So we did those not too long ago with them because it was serviced through us. So that was more recent. And then this tub comes equipped with lights and extras that they've included. So as you're the original owner of a vehicle, you start acquiring parts for the car. So this is like all for the top setup and everything to take this down, because this whole top folds down, and I mean it opens completely up. It's got the speakers up inside, and then you got the nice neoprene seat covers that match the exterior of the doors, and then the floor liner all rubberized coated with that same matching blue. And then four-wheel drive, you got hill descent, ice cold AC, everything's working. The owner's manual, extra cords, and then all power windows, and then you got the plug-in system here. So you get all of that, and then all these pull handles match the neoprene interior. Smoke and pet free, power windows, locks, just one ding right here. Everything else is very clean, no rust. This is a Florida vehicle. It's not been off-road or any kind of damages, but it got that nice matching liner, and then all of this is just that stuff that comes with it for that. So that all comes with the vehicle, and then it has that red light that lights up in there as you hit the brakes, and then it has the star covers over the brake lights. Those nice aftermarket tips there that give it a nice rumble. And then everything's working on the four-wheel drive, the diffs, everything's all good. It does have a seat, it's just folded forward to accommodate all the covers and the plastic shields. And so it has tinted windows on it, and the power locks, sway bar, axle lock, and then you get the cruise control, you get Bluetooth, aftermarket stereo, it comes with a rear backup camera. Stereo sounds great, comes with Alpine speakers throughout. Nice Jeep windshield, no cracks, no chips there. Everything's properly working. It has some lights on the dash for the ABS module and the check engine for the gas cap. All these things have been looked at multiple times without any luck on fixing, so they will stay on. But it revs up nicely, it idles smoothly, it's got 125,000 miles. And it drives great, it brakes great, so don't let those lights fool you. If you're in the Jeep market, you've seen this before. They're on pretty much every one at this point. The modules for the ABS were on indefinite back order, so it's a Jeep thing, that's all we can say. But runs and drives beautifully, you will not be disappointed. This is a one owner, very rare kind of find, and rare to have all those extras included. So you're getting it from the original owner, keyless entry, it's all there, it's off-road, it's bad to the bone. So if you want something really, really cool to drive around town in, this is definitely it, where you can find this beautiful 2011 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon four-wheel drive Unlimited that you can find exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.